All right, so we're going to take you through how to use the Punters Rangefinder. So first off, we've got the power button on top here. This turns the rangefinder on and also locates distance. And then we've got a mode button. So we've got a bunch of different modes on the rangefinder. We've got slope, we've got SD flag lock, which is standard distance flag lock. You can basically go through, you press that mode button and it will go through each mode. We've got fog mode on here as well. Once you've actually gotten the correct mode, you press the power button again and that will shoot the laser to lock onto your distance. We've got a slope over here as well, so if you are in tournament, you can turn this off on the actual slope mode and it's not going to display a playing distance for you. And then we've got a charging port over here underneath the little flap. So you pull that out, it's USB-C charging, and then we've also got a magnet there. So obviously you can go and stick it to your cart, nice and easy like that. Grab it off and then you shoot your target. We're going to overlay a bit of footage here of what it looks like down the lens. So when you're in normal SD with flag lock mode, you're going to be able to drag it over the top of the flag and you're going to get a distance there. Then you've also got a different mode, which is HT, that stands for fog mode. In fog, it's going to be able to locate the pin a lot easier when it is quite hard to see. And then the next mode is going to be normal slope mode without flag lock. So you can press the pin there, it's going to give you a degree and a elevated distance. So it's 1.3 meters elevated, the flag. And then you've got your slope with flag lock and it's got an incline there for you as well. And then when you actually have the slope button on, you can pinpoint the flag that way and it's going to give you a playing distance as well. Then we've got a standard SD mode, which if you're trying to figure out how far a bunker is, so let's point it, we could point it down the lip of a bunker. You can see what the lip of the bunker is.